Yeah. Josh, you can do it.
Not sure. Liam wants to try and do a remix of this with a different song. That's going to be impossible, isn't it?
No, it won't work. It won't work then. We haven't done enough.
Okay, so
Liam, show us all you know along.
This is one of Liam's brave ideas. Just listening with John.
Just do it.
Go. What?
It's
let me start. Let me start. Because otherwise that could get messy.